Alright, just wanted to show you, man, these are quality. When you order this, you will receive one of these. Maybe that one. Maybe that one. Maybe that one. But these are all really high quality switches. I haven't seen anything like this before. And look at the connections on this guy. No kidding, it focused. Grayhill. If you need to pause the camera or the video, you can do that at this time. There we go. Last but not least, this one has all the connections on the outside in here. This one does look like it has some threaded hardware on it as well. This one does too. It appears the hardware is on here. Just kind of wanted to show you that in a video. Did I give you guys the information on this one? If you order multiple, I'm sure we will do our best to try to include them all in there. I will put a message to our pick and pull people to do that. But we may have a couple more of these. They're not all even. Just saying. But we'll do our best to try to give you one of each if you buy 3. Again, surprise, you're going to receive a random one. Alright. Thanks for watching the video.